dear second class children, good morning. Welcome to maths class, continuation of second chapter, addition of two digit numbers. Okay, first of all, today I sent first chapter notes. I started through WhatsApp group. Okay, my dear children, you take one new check rule book and open and write chapter 1, name of the chapter, and I given notes. You started write with good handwriting, my dear children. Okay, Nana, every day I send you some notes of first chapter. You sit and write in the afternoon session. Morning you are watching videos, no? That's why sit and write neatly in the afternoon session, my dear children. Now continuation of second chapter, addition of two digit numbers. Two digit number, starting number is 10, ending number is 99. In this chapter already you learned with carrying, without carrying. That means with grouping, without grouping, by two digit number by one digit, and two digit number 2 lines, and two digit number 3 lines. Next without grouping, with grouping. First without grouping. See, I show you examples. Add means do addition. First of all, addition facts goes to number plus 0 or 0 plus number, same number. Number plus 0 or 0 plus number, same number. The total does not change. Number plus 1 or 1 plus number, the next number of the given number. We add 2 or more numbers in any order, the total does not change. Okay, now I am going to show once again the concepts of addition, that is going to without grouping, two digit number by one digit, two digit number with one digit, and two digit numbers 2 lines, two digit numbers 3 lines. Okay, come on, answer. First one, 45 plus 3. 45 plus 3, two digit number plus one digit number. Ones place, tens place. Two digit number, one digit number. 45 plus 3. Ones place, tens place. This arrangement of numbers is wrong. That is common mistake. 3 means single digit number. Single digit means ones. We should write single digit number in the ones place only. Don't write like this. This is going to common mistake. Okay? Don't arrange the numbers like this. Arrangement of numbers is two digit number and one digit number. Write in the ones place only. Now add the given numbers. First addition start from ones place. 5 plus 3. Take 5 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Now this number having tens, bring down the tens. Now total is 48. Another example. Ready now? Okay. 64 plus 32. Both are going to two digit numbers. Ones place, tens place. First adding ones. 4 plus 2. Very good. 6. Take 4 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. Now adding tens. Take 6 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the total? 96. Two digit number without grouping. Next. 32, 40 plus 15. Two digit number, 3 lines. Two digit number, 3 lines. Here also start from ones place. Start from ones place. 2 plus 5. If 0 is there in the ones place, no need to add. 2 plus 5, 7. Very good. Next, tens place. First adding these two numbers. 3 plus 4. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind. 7 plus 1, 8. What is the total? 87. Another example, I forgot it. Now I am going to show you. 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. See, 1 digit 3 lines. 1 digit 3 lines. First adding these two numbers, after go to third number. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay? These are without grouping of the given numbers. Okay? Addition of without grouping. 2 digit number with 1 digit. 2 digit numbers 2 lines. 2 digit number 3 lines. Single digit number 3 lines. Now with grouping. With grouping. Ready now? 5 plus 4 plus 6. First single digit number 3 lines. All are ones. Yes or no? Start from 5. Take 5 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 9 after. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We get 2 digit number. Write like this. 5 right in the ones place. 1 right in the tens place. We adding 1 digit numbers. The total is 2 digit number. Next example. 37 plus 6. Ones place, tens place. 2 digit number with 1 digit number. Start from ones. 7 plus 6. Take 7 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 right side. Why? 13 is a 2 digit number. Ones place means only single digit numbers. Only ones. Split the number. That means separate the number. 2 digit means that number having 2 places. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place number 3 right in the ones place. Tens place number carry forward to tens place. That means right above 3. Now 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1, 4. This is called with grouping. Okay? With grouping means after adding ones we get 2 digit number. We split the number. Split means separate the number. Ones number right in the ones place. Tens number carry forward to tens place. That means right above 3. Top of the tens place. Adding carried number and given number. 1 plus 3, 4. Another example. 28, 40 plus 70. 2 digit numbers, 3 lines. 2 digit numbers, 3 lines. Ones place, tens place. Start from ones. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 7. Take 8 fingers. 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again we get 2 digit number. That's why right side. Ones number right in the ones place. Tens number carry forward to tens place. Right top of the tens place. That means about 2. Now 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1. 1 plus 2. Very good. 3. 3 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1. After number. Very good. 8. Understood? 2 digit number. 3 lines with grouping. Another example. 56 plus 48. 56 plus 48. Or I change the second number. 38 only I given. See. 2 digit number, 2 lines. Ones place, tens place. Adding ones. Take 6 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. Again, we get two-digit number right side. This is ones, this is tens. Ones place number right in the ones place. Tens place number carry forward to tens place. Now 1 plus 5 plus 3. Three numbers. Carried number and tens. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Okay? This is two-digit number, 2 lines with grouping. This is two-digit numbers, 3 lines with grouping. Suppose you are doing same addition like this. 56 plus 38. 6 plus 8. In the ones place we get 14, no? 14. 5 plus 3, 8. If you are doing like this, your process is wrong. Okay? 14 is a two-digit number. Ones place means we write only ones numbers only, single-digit numbers only. When we are get two-digit number, right side and do like this. Okay, Nana? Understood? Next one, verifying addition. Verifying addition means check the answer ourselves. We are doing addition, we get the total. The total is correct or wrong. See, 52 plus 36. Ones place, tens place. Verifying. Verifying means check the answer. Verifying means check the answer. Same process. Adding ones, take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Now tens, take 5 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the total? 88. How to verify the addition means we are going to write the given numbers in reverse order. Reverse means second number in the first place, first number in the second place. See how I am going to arrange. This is the second number. 36. Ones place, tens place. Second number is 52. 52. Reverse order. Second number in the first place, first number in the second place. Put the symbol plus. Adding ones. 6 plus 2. Take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 tens, same total we get. That means our process is correct. Okay, another example. Are you understood? Okay, my dear children. Again, two-digit numbers I am going to take. 34, 23 and 42. Two-digit numbers, 3 lines. Verifying addition. Okay, in verifying addition means first same process. First find the total of the given numbers. Adding ones. First add these two numbers, then go to third number. Take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. Now adding tens. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the total? 99. Now we are going to verify the addition means we are going to check the total. We get the correct answer or not. That means we are going to write the numbers in reverse order. Reverse order means this number right in the first place, second place, third place. See how to arrange the given numbers. Third number is 42. Second number is 23. First number is 34. Third number goes up. First number comes down. Put the symbol. Adding ones. 2 plus 3, 5. Very good. 5 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. Now adding tens. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 99 is the total. We got same total. That means our process is correct. Our answer is correct. This is going to verifying addition. In this chapter, you learned single digit number, 3 lines, 2 digit number and 1 digit number addition, and addition of 2 digit numbers, addition of 2 digit numbers 3 lines without grouping. Next, addition of 2 digit number with 1 digit, and addition of 2 digit numbers 2 lines, and addition of 2 digit numbers 3 lines with regrouping. With regrouping means we get 2 digit number after adding of ones. We get 2 digit number in the ones place. Then write a side and split the number. Split means ones number ones place, tens number carry forward to tens place. That is next one, verifying addition. Means first we do addition, we get the total. Our total is correct or wrong, we are going to verify, means go to check. In verifying, we write the numbers in reverse order like this. Third number comes in the first. First number comes in the last, and do same process. If you get same total, our process is correct. Next one goes to word problems. What are the words of addition? Yesterday I told no word problems. What are the words? Yes, add, total, sum, very good, in all together, more, increase, increase. These are the words we are going to using when we are going to do addition word problems, etc. Total, sum, in all together, more, increase. Okay? Yesterday I taught you example problem. Another example I give you now. You listen and go to exercise problem. See, I am going to write the question. 25 boys. How many boys? 25 boys and 36 girls. How many girls went to the park? Where did you go? They went to the park. How many boys and girls means children. How many children were there in all? What is the addition word is given here? Find out that word. In all. In all. How many boys? 25 boys. Underline. How many girls? 36 girls went to the park. How many children were there in all? Underline words are important in the question. When we are going to do word problem, first we read the given question and underline the important words. It is going to addition or these are addition words, no? In all is there in the question. That means we do addition. We get the answer by addition. Here we find out the total. What are they given? 25 boys, girls. Answer. How to write the answer in word problems? Word problem means we are writing words. What is the first one? Boys. Number of boys. Number of boys. How many boys given? Yes, 25. Next, number of girls. We are going to underline, no? Yes, this is number. That's why number of girls. How many girls? 36. Write below 25 correctly. Next, How many children were there in all means addition. That is going to addition word. That's why using total. Number of, short form. Number of means this is the short form of number of. Number of children. children. Put dashes. Here total means we get the total by addition. That's why put the symbol plus. Now adding ones. These are ones. These are tens. No. Start addition from ones. That means first adding ones. 5 plus 6. Take 5 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We get 2-digit number right side. 110, 1, 1. Ones place number, ones place. Tens place number carry forward. That means right about 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. How many children went to park? 61. We get 61 by addition of boys and girls. Okay? See how to write the answer. Number of boys, number of girls, total number of children. 25 plus 36, 61 children went to the park. Okay, my dear children? Are you understood the concept of addition? These all are going to addition words. Any word is there in the question, we get the answer by addition. We get the total. Find the total. Okay? This is going to exercise 2E in our textbook, Nana. I write these problems tomorrow. And one thing, today onwards, I send through WhatsApp chapter 1 notes. You take one check rule book, new check rule notebook, and leave one page and write chapter 1 and name of the chapter and whatever I given. See in the WhatsApp and maintain good handwriting. Write